Ever pondered over the idea of consuming nothing but animal products for an entire month? Welcome to the carnivore diet, a dietary journey that could be as fascinating as it is challenging. In the lead up to this intriguing experiment, it's crucial to equip oneself with knowledge. Understand the principles, potential benefits, and risks associated with a carnivore diet. And remember, if you have any pre-existing health conditions or concerns, a consultation with a healthcare professional is a must before embarking on this journey. Once the experiment begins, the focus should be on high-quality, nutrient-dense animal products. Think grass-fed beef, wild-caught fish, and pasture-raised eggs. Hydration is key in this period, especially given the reduced fruit and vegetable intake. Along the journey, keep a keen eye on any changes in energy levels, mood, digestion, and overall well-being. Since plant-based sources of electrolytes are out of the picture, consider supplementing with electrolytes to avoid deficiency. While the carnivore diet is inherently limited, incorporating a variety of animal products can ensure a range of nutrients. Some may experience an adjustment period as the body adapts to the diet. Patience is vital here. After the 30-day journey, it's time for reflection. Assess your physical and mental state during this period. Were there any noticeable changes in your health markers? If you decide to return to a more balanced diet afterward, reintroduce foods gradually to observe how your body responds. Now you might ask, why undertake this experiment? Some reported benefits include weight loss, improved digestion, and heightened mental clarity. But it's not without its potential pitfalls. Nutrient deficiencies, long-term sustainability, and potential health risks are all factors to consider. In essence, while some may thrive on a carnivore diet, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Individual responses to dietary changes can vary greatly, so it's essential to listen to your body and make informed decisions based on your own health and well-being. Remember, this is not just about food, but about understanding your body's unique response to a highly restrictive dietary regimen.